Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by gathering the right files and importing them. This saves time later. Select 8 to 12 images with 60 to 80% overlap so the software can stitch accurately. Once imported, create a new project and name it for easy reference. Make sure HDR or RAW files are used when available because they retain detail for alignment. Don't waste time on tiny edits now. Focus on consistent lighting and exposure across shots so the next steps match well. Once your images are in, run automatic alignment to detect camera positions and tie points. This builds the foundation for depth. Next, stitch to generate the textured mesh and a depth map, selecting a resolution that balances detail and performance. If alignment misses areas, add manual control points or mask problem zones. Make sure to inspect seams and ghosted subjects. Then use blending and smoothing tools to refine texture continuity and depth accuracy before exporting. To finish, export in the format your target platform needs. GLTF for web viewing, OBJ for editing, and include the PNG depth map if required. Then test the spatial photo in the intended viewer, verifying parallax, perceived scale, and texture fidelity. If things go wrong, realign the problem images or add more overlapping photos. Alternatively, reduce image noise or lower stitch resolution to isolate errors. One quick tip: if seams persist, mask and restitch only the affected frames to save time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.